Welcome again, Junior 6. Let's resume our unit, Lesson 3 and 4. We start with new vocabulary. Environmental pollution. Pollution means any damage that is caused to water or air by harmful waste and damages the balance of our environment. This causes the global warming and it causes many diseases in our earth. So environmental pollution means the damage that is caused to water or air by harmful waste. Global warming means the great increase of the temperature of gases that surround the earth. So that will make the heat is trapped into space, into the earth, and it stop it from escaping into space. This is called global warming. So global warming means a gradual increase in world temperature caused by gases such as carbon dioxide that are collecting in the air around the earth and stopping heat escaping into space. Water shortage. It means the lack of the quantity of water. So a situation in which there is not enough water is called water shortage. Consumption. It's a noun and it means eating or using, the amount used or eaten. Population explosion. It means a quick large increase in the number of people. So population means the increase of people number, okay, in a specific area. It's called population. Population explosion, it's a great problem in our society as we have a quick large increase in the number of people. Green alternative. It's a noun and it means something you can use if you don't want to use another one. I use thing instead of another thing and this thing will be green. I mean that it will be safe to our environment. Dam construction. It's a noun and it means a wall that is built across a river that stops the river flow and collects the water, especially to make a reservoir. It's called dam construction. Proper management. It's real and suitable control of something. When you have a great influence on something and you can manage it well, I can say it's proper or it's suitable control or it's suitable or proper management. Let's focus on workbook vocabulary. The first word, recommendations. If I suggest something and you agree, this means I give you a good recommendation. If I say I recommend this restaurant as the food is very delicious and so on, so I recommend means I suggest. So recommendation, it's a noun and it means a suggestion that something is good for a particular purpose or job. Prove. When I prove something, this means I give evidence to what I say. To show that you are good at something and you prove that, it means you assure that. A great deal, it's a noun and it means a large amount. A very big quantity. It's called a great deal. Purpose, it means your aim, your goal of what you do. Why you do something or why something exists. So purpose means the aim. Worthwhile, it's an adjective and I want you to use it more in your writing. It's a very good adjective and very effective in meaning. Worthwhile, it's an adjective and it means useful or important or good enough. to be a suitable reward for the money or time spent or the effort made. So worthwhile means a very useful or very important thing. It's good enough. Now it's time for exercise. Let's exercise some question to check that you understand the vocabulary very well. Following up exercise on vocabulary, choose the correct answer. The first question, the company claims it isn't responsible for the population, great deal, or the pollution in the river. Yes, the answer will be the company claims it is not responsible for the pollution in the river or the damage that is caused into the river. Number two, the destruction of the rainforest is contributing to population, water shortage, or global warming. Exactly, it leads to global warming. Number three, the long hot summer has led to serious water shortage, pollution, or population. Great. The answer will be the long hot summer has led to serious water shortage and maybe cause drought after that. Number four, we need to cut down on, and we said before that cut down on means to decrease or reduce. So we need to cut down on our fuel alternative dams consumption by having fewer cars on the road. So the answer will be yes, we need to cut down on our fuel consumption or using. Number five, I bought this computer on John's explosion recommendation because John told me that it was good. So the answer will be I bought this computer on John's recommendation or suggestion because John told me that it was good. Number six, I wish he would stop trying to prove purpose or proper himself. He wants to show off all the time. So I wish he would stop trying to prove himself. He wants to show off all the time. Number seven, the proof, the purpose, the proper of the research is to try to find out more about the cause of the disease. So, yes, exactly as you guess, the purpose of the research is to try to find more about the cause of the disease. Number eight, the time and expense involved in keeping up to date with all the changes have been worthwhile, disgusting, approved. We are proud of the results. So the answer will be the time and expense involved in keeping up to date with all the changes have been worthwhile. Great. We are proud now of the results. Number nine, the government has to take measures to halt the population, yes, population explosion, or the great increase in the number of people in a specific area. Number 10, as a nation, our consume of junk food is horrifying. Yes, our consumption or eating or using of junk food is horrifying. So now I hope you understand everything in our unit and see you again in another unit. Thank you, Junior 6, for your listening. Goodbye.